Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, interval wipers, rear window wiper, heated seats, keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.